Unlock 3 Unit 4 Customs and traditions acceptable, satisfactory and able to be agreed to or approved of, good enough. Agreement, the situation in which people have the same opinion, or in which they approve of or accept something. Anniversary, the day on which an important event happened in a previous year. Behavior, a particular way of acting. Celebration, doing something to mark a special day or event. Commercial, relating to buying and selling things. Development, the process in which somebody or something grows or changes and becomes more advanced. Die out, to become rare and then disappear. Endless, continuing for a long time and never finishing, or never seeming to finish. Event, anything which happens, especially something important or unusual. Generation, all the people of about the same age within a society or a family. Graduate, to complete university or college successfully. Helpful, willing to help. Interact, to communicate and do things with somebody or something. Modernize, to make something more modern. Multicultural, including people who have many different customs and beliefs. Obligation, something which you have to do. Occasion, a special event or ceremony. Personal, relating to an individual person and not anybody else. Political, relating to the activities of the government. Prevention, ways of stopping something happening or stopping somebody doing something. Social, relating to a large group of people who live together in an organized way. Specialize, to spend most of your time studying one particular subject or doing one type of business. Strengthen, to become stronger or make something become stronger. Thoughtful, showing care and consideration in how you treat other people. Traditional, following the customs or ways of behaving that have continued in a group of people or society for a long time. Useless, not useful.